Me and my girls, we hopping out and foreign things. Prime time.
What's up, pretty girl gang? It's Princess Layah, and I am back with another video review. As you guys can see by the title, today I will be reviewing the YEEZY foam runners by a company called SY Sneaker. Now, before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so I get my videos as soon as I drop a new video. Cause y'all don't want to miss it, cause y'all know I've been coming with them bangers back to back. So this particular company contacted me on September 12th, and they wanted to see if I could do a review on their shoes. And of course, y'all know I'm not gonna turn down no good review. Y'all know I'm not gonna turn down no free items. And of course, I'm always here to give y'all the budget tips. Like, I'm always here for it. Y'all know when Yeezys first originally came out, they only intended to be like $50 to like $70, $80 if I'm being correct. But now it's hard to find Yeezys in that price range. Like, you're not gonna find it. So like, they're like $400. The least I've seen in the Yeezy shoe is like $200. I just recently bought my girls some Yeezy phones for school, and let me tell you, they were not cheap. And I'm just like, bro. I got them. They contacted me on the 12th, and I received them yesterday, which was the 21st. So it took about a little over a week. Yeah. And they showed me that they packaged it September 13th, September 14th. I think they went out for shipping. No, they went out for shipping September 15th. So yeah, a little over a week. Well, yeah, about a week. So yeah, got delivered yesterday. Communication was super easy, super cool. We actually communicated through WhatsApp, whatever the case may be. And yeah, so I want to go ahead and open up the shoes, you guys. And I actually did already open them. I wore them yesterday because I feel like they went so perfectly with my outfit that I was wearing yesterday. So I ended up just wearing them with my outfit. Literally right as I was leaving out the door, they arrived. So I was like, let me just try them on. And I just ended up liking them for my outfit. But anyway, as you open the box up, you got the foam box. On the outside, there's the size, the barcode. That's pretty much it. The box is really simple. And then you open it up, and these are I'm trying to think what the name of these are, because you know they have different style names. I want to say these are the cream clay ones. Yeah, I believe these are the cream clay ones, because they're like gray, or it could be, I want to say these are the cream clay ones, you guys. I got them in a size 7, and they also gave me some socks to go with them, some Nike socks. Can't never go wrong with socks, child. But in the box, also at the bottom, you'll see this is the whole entire box, you guys. And then it has the sticker at the bottom. So it tells you, yeah, these are the cream clay ones. So it says it on here, cream clay. Well, it has the abbreviation for it, the barcode, the size, and it is a UK US 7. But I think it's like 40 in a different country size. So I'm gonna put this back in here. And let's talk about the shoe, girl. Let's talk about that shoe, girl. Let's talk about that shoe. So I'm gonna say that, okay, and then on here, there's the tag, which I haven't taken off yet. I actually wore it with the tag on it yesterday, but yeah, it has the tag still on it. I feel like the colors of these shoes is super cute, super duper neutral, and it gives a very, like, I guess a very classy aesthetic to like whatever outfit. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with a dress, you can wear it with shorts, you can wear it with a skirt, you can wear it with leggings, whatever. You can really just do whatever you want with these. That's what I kind of like about them. My girls think that they look weird. I bought them some and they just like, I'm not wearing that to school because they think they look weird, but they don't realize like they're Yeezys, girl. Like your Yeezys, girl. I'm not gonna lie, it took me a while to actually grow onto the Yeezy trend. I felt like coming out, like out the gate, I always thought like, oh my god, those shoes look so weird. Like, what the fuck? Like, they just look weird to me. But eventually, as I started to see how people like actually dress them up, I feel like they have a lot of, you know, potential to be a part of my wardrobe. So I'm just deciding, you know, let me just go ahead and try it. So I tried these on. I wore them all day yesterday, and what I can say about the shoe is that it is a little bit uncomfortable on the heel, the back of the heel part. I don't know what it is, but as I'm looking at it, there are like some like ridges or something in the back. I don't know, but it hurts kind of on the back of my ankle. But they're comfortable to walk in other than that, but it's just that back ankle part, and I think that's probably why a lot of people wear socks with it. But they fit perfectly. I feel like they look really cute on my feet. They don't look too big or bulky or whatever, because I had asked Flo, I was like, does this look right with my outfit? Like, do they look too big? He was like, nah. So that's good. But I like the color. Like I said, I can match it with pretty much whatever. As you guys can see, this is what they look like from the top part. And I don't think the designs are consistent, which is kind of weird. It doesn't look like it's consistent with, you know, the same type of like pattern or design on each. This one has more cream. This one has more like gray mixed into it. But I'm guessing that's just how the shoes are made. And then in the inside of it, you'll see the foam runner, and then the size, and then it says made in China. So yeah, I did not know they were made in China, but yep. And then on the back, you'll see the Adidas logo engraved in the inside, one of the little holes. I like these. I think they're really cute. Like I said, they went so good with my outfit yesterday. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will probably see the pictures, because I will be uploading them today. Well, they probably already uploaded by now, but yeah, so this is the way they look from this way. I'm gonna put them side by side like that, you guys can see. So yeah, so love the shoe. I'll probably get me some more for me, because I think the ones that I got my daughter, I can actually fit hers as well. Hers felt, I don't know, hers felt a little bit more tight on me, because of course her feet are smaller than mine, but I can still fit hers. Like, there's space in the shoe for like stretching, I guess you would say, because of the material. But the material feels good. It feels like it has some quality to it. With that being said, I'm going to put the information in the description below. They have an IG, which you can follow as well. And you can also get 15% off on your purchase with my code Princess. So make sure y'all check out this company, you guys. I feel like they were really sweet. They communicated well. And then the shipping was quick. So if you're looking for something quick, then yeah, check it out. If you don't want this shoe specifically, they do have other shoes that you can choose from. I believe they have Nikes. I believe they have designer shoes. So yeah, just go to the site, browse through, and see what you may like. And use my code, girl. Get you some shoes, girl. Get your kids some shoes, girl. Y'all know I'm so stupid. But anyways, you guys, so I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Y'all know I'll be coming with the 1-2-1-2 with the reviews. Let me know what other products y'all want me to review, because I would definitely be happy to do that on my channel. And with that being said, I will see y'all in my next video.
Pretty girl gang. Pretty girl gang. If you are not bad and don't get it back, then you cannot sit with us. Let me hear you say